I first decided to come to the University of Navarra because they had journalism, first of all, and then I wanted to go 1 full year abroad. I didn't want to do Erasmus, which is like 6 months. I wanted to do like 12 months on a row.
As a student of advertising and public relations, I really think that it's necessary to go global. You cannot only focus your professional career or your college years on Spain. You really have to go global and start looking for new experiences.
But if you want to do international journalism, that's what I want to do, and that's why I chose IMP. It's a must to go abroad. Not only to learn a new language and to practice that language, but also to see how other people work and how other people understand journalism. My first choice was University of Missouri, and I chose that university because it's the best one in the United States, and it was the first journalism faculty founded in the United States.
The International Media Program has given me the opportunity to study in Australia at Monash University in Melbourne, and this has been a great experience, not only in the academic file, also a life experience.
Going to the Philippines was an absolutely new world, new experience, and I really have to say that it was amazing. Not only because of meeting a new culture, meeting new people, and also because it's Asia. Everyone is talking about Asia as the future.
And these programs looks to encourage the student to look for a different perspective.
The companies really value people who went with new experiences, new adventures, if you want to call it like that.
And I applied to Interpress Service. It's a news agency and it has different locations, but I went to New York and I was at the United Nations building, and it was a very good experience because I had the chance to see how international relations work between countries.
This is what it makes the international media programs such an appealing diploma for the communication students.